part of ownership could be something as simple as how much does it cost to fill up? So we are here with an empty tank. Fuel is low, okay? Fuel is low. You can see there on the tank, we are bottomed out, okay? So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna fill up, and you're gonna see how much it costs to actually fill up an NSX. All right, so here we are, we're running 93. Grab the nozzle here, we're running 93. Go ahead and put that in. So there we go, 93. We're gonna fill this thing up. Here we go. All right, so there you have it. $50.90. Fill up. 14.63 gallons at $3.40. We'll call it 48 cents a gallon. So there you have it. NSX is filled up, ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this video.